This installment of Miner Tech Talk will discuss TexPac pad shelf life and when it applies. Miner TexPac constant contact side bearings provide railcars with many benefits as covered in previous episodes of Tech Talk. Once applied to a railcar, a Miner side bearing could last up to and even over 1,000,000 miles. However, sometimes side bearing pads never get applied to a car and are held in inventory on a shelf for extended periods of time. In order to make sure Miner side bearings are supplying the correct preload, Miner recommends that pads that have been sitting unused on the shelf for 5 years or more from the date of manufacture not be applied to a railcar. Reading the date code on a Miner side bearing pad is covered in Miner's mobile field guide. A pad may need to be cleaned in order to find the date code, but once it's found, it should be easy to determine if the pad is okay for application. If you have any further questions, visit Miner's website at www.minerent.com or contact your regional sales manager.